Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at how to use the enhanced audio feature on Windows 11. For a more in-depth look at the topic, check out the article in the description. Open Windows Settings. Make sure you're in the System tab and go to Sound. Scroll down to All Sound Devices. Go to the sound device you're using for output and scroll down till you find Enhanced Audio. If it's off, toggle it on, then just play some music or a video and see how much better the sound is. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.